Hello, on this video I'm going to teach you how to set up security notifications on Bank of America. May it be for mobile devices or computer, it's perfectly fine, okay? So since I'm still waiting for my account to be approved, I'm gonna take you via the visual aids I have. Let's get started right here. First things first, of course, make sure you log into your account. Once you're logged in, this is gonna be your landing page, right? I want you to click on the inbox on the top section right there. There's gonna be 3 sections: inbox, products, and logout. I want you to simply click on inbox. After click on inbox, you're gonna have this prompt. Please choose Bank of America. Next one is allowed notifications. So click on settings and you'll arrive on this landing page. You just have to click on the specific setting you want to adjust, and then you're gonna choose the account of which checking, or rather which settings you want to add notifications to. For example, this first one right here, my checking, and this should be the landing page of my checking settings notification. Just choose the specific notification and toggle it on. As you can see right here, they're all perfectly off. So just choose one. For example, the first one is debit card charge made online by phone or email. I'm gonna click on it and I'll arrive on this landing page, which is the same one earlier. However, there is a toggle button right here. Make sure you toggle it on, and then you'll arrive on this one. You're gonna choose which kind of notification. Is it via notification via phone, an email, or text? And then simply click on save and you're good to go. That's how you set up notifications on your Bank of America. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye for now.